Welcome guys, today I'm doing a vlog here at Koolewong, so enjoy.
We have an Oscar now departing platform number 2, Hamilton service. Set H26. Next stop Tascott, Point Clare, Gosford and all stations to Hamilton. Sydney service now arriving in a platform number 1, H40, front half, okay. Rear half H6. The Oscars are now departing platform number 2, front half I forget, rear half H6. And yes, that's how quick it takes off against Koolewong. I can also, by the time the train runs. Walking down to the level crossing. And surprisingly we have a bus, 10:53 busway. That's with King Comma Depot on a Route 70. Actually, I didn't see. Woi Woi probably, or Edelong Beach. I'll actually watch the bus see how there it goes. So yeah, I'll take you guys up onto platform number 1. It's 4 cars long, I'm pretty sure. The station is very bare. It's only got a shelter and a couple of seats. This platform has 4 seats. This platform has 5, I'm pretty sure. So, yeah, 5 seats. So, yeah, that's. We have the Sydney XBT from Grafton now passing. XB 2018. XB 2008, the rear half. We have a 4-car V-set. Pretty sure it's passing. V10 is the set. No, V50 is the set, sorry. We have the Sydney bound V-set shortly about to pass through platform 2. This train will stop at Woi Woi, Asquith, Hornsby, Epping, Eastwood, Strathfield and Central. And of course there's no target plate and it has a prophetic horn as well. Of course it does. It's a completely untargeted train. Good job, Sydney train. CEY locos passing platform number 2. This is why my train is running 2 minutes late, of course. CEY's seen its stuff up everything late. CEY 001, what a great tone. CEY 004, CEY 003. V-set now arriving in a platform number 2. This is a Hamilton service. And it's untargeted. Are you actually kidding me right now? It's the second V-set untargeted. Might be able to get the rear half. And I don't know, so see you guys later. Goodbye.